Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have the Insta360 One R again with the lens guard mounted for the dual lens mod. So previously I did an unboxing video for the Insta360 One R and also the lens guard. So today I'm going to show the samples of the video from the lens guard mounted on the mod. So before we go to the sample video, here's a quick point why you need to buy the lens guard. Firstly, it's a extra layer of protection for your lens, and so you avoid any scratches, bumps, or the need to replace the lens itself that costs $200. This lens filter is only $33. So most of the 360 camera has protruding lens. You can see the surface itself is protruding from the other parts of the section of the camera. So you may scratch this if you're not careful. So with this lens guard available, you'll have a extra layer of protection at the front of the lens here. So in the next section, you'll see the sample videos. Sorry that the language of the videos are in Malay. So I don't really like the audio coming out from the Insta360 One R. It sound muffled. It sound very tinny. I'm not sure if it's because of the lens filter, but previously I did a video. It sound about the same, so I don't think that it's due to the lens filter. So you can see that there is a heavy amount of lens flare caused by the sunlight coming through the trees. Sorry for the flickering. I did shoot everything in auto, so the camera assumed that it's in daylight, so it's compensate by shooting in higher shutter speed. So this is the video from my trip to Kelantan.
Kita ada dekat KLIA 2 nak ke Kelantan untuk majlis wedding si Wiwi. Adik cakap sikit. Baik. Selamat. KLIA 2. Tengok berapa ramai dan berapa kosongnya hari ni. Jom. So kita dah selamat sampai ke lapangan terbang Sultan Ismail Petra kat belakang ni. Kita nak pergi ke wedding Wiwi hari ni. Ini maybe kita sewa 2016. Adik bam. Maybe baru. First agenda kita pagi ni lagi kita nak ke kopitiam kita. Minyak dia. Lilap dia lagi. Terus. 1 km buat lu. Saya sisi minyak. Ada depan tu ada. 1 km. Kau ajar. Ada dekat kopitiam kita. Cari seat dulu. Mana seat kita? Tak ada seat ke? Okey lah. Kita dekat kopitiam kita, tengok semua menu yang ada. Tisu kopi, lauk, pagi, ya Vietnam. Macam dah dia mudah. Bakar, spesial bihumi, bakar apa-apa. Ini tak lalu. Inilah roti kitab terbaik di seantara alam. Pandan dan special. Alright. Selamat. Museum Adat Istiadat Raja. Museum Adat Istiadat. Sini kita ada balai senjata pula. Kalau nak masuk lah. So ni kita makan. Kita ada dekat warung Acutra. Kita makan. Kita sebut ni lah. Sekarang ni ada dekat Pantai Cahaya Bulan yang diketahui sebagai Pantai Cinta Berahi. Suatu kali dunia dulu. Dekat situ. Dah. Kan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tapi dekat belah sana, dekat belah pantai. Ya. Dua belah nampak dia matahari kita tak tahu. Air tengah pasang dekat pantai Cahaya Bulan ni sebelah tu. Oh. Jauh. Budak. Benda dah main game. Hey. Okay. Ya. Jatuh. Oh, itu. So.
So thank you very much for watching. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Hope everyone stays safe during the COVID-19 outbreak right now. So peace. Bye.